guys, and welcome to the day 2 of this course. Today, we're going to look at a secret bunch of blocks. Okay, so here we got our natural screen, the one which always comes when we open a new one. We have the blocks, we got the costumes, and we got the sounds, and we got the sprites here. Okay, so here you can see all the types of blocks, from motion to my blocks. And here we have a little icon. We're just gonna click it. Oh, it says add an extension. Let's see what happens. Oh my god! Where did this come from? Yeah, these are the set of magical and secret blocks I was talking about. Let's first check out the music block. So, when we click on it, we get all our blocks from motion to my blocks, and we also have an additional one called music. There are many blocks here. You can experiment with it, and today we're gonna make a piano with this. So we have set instrument to piano, to synth pad and flute, and we have a music box, a guitar, and so on. So of course a cat cannot make a sound like an instrument, so we're just gonna delete that and go to paint, and we're just gonna make a simple piano. Alright, so let me just make this. I'm just making it kind of shabby for you guys to see it out. If you want to check out the real piano, which I've done with a few more enhancements, you can go to Crafty Monster, follow me, and look at my projects and find it out. Everybody knows that a piano is white. So if we make it white here, then we would have to make the background black, which I'm gonna do right now. Create a new one. Ooh, sorry guys, I forgot to select this. Make it really big and black. We're not gonna make the exact same piano, which has the sharps and the flats. We're just gonna make the white parts. Okay, we've got this. I'm gonna put it to the back. And here we've got our key. Okay, I'm gonna select this one. I'm gonna copy paste it. You could use the arrow keys to move it around. Select 2 of them. By the way, to select 2 of them, you just need to hold the shift key. Now we're gonna copy Tekken. Mine may look a bit shabby this way. Okay. C, D, E, F, G, H. We don't need H. Select all of it. Oh, sorry. Select all of it. And bring it to the center. Okay. So, you've got this. Now, we are gonna make a new one. And we only want one keen one. So I'm gonna I'll just duplicate this to make it easier. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So duplicate it 5 times. And in the first one, I'm gonna delete all of this. And in the second one, I'm gonna delete this, 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 this. And by the way, we don't need this. We don't need this. We don't need this, 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 and this. And the background. Don't need this, this, just delete it one by one. 1, 2, 3, 4. And for the fifth one, everything except the last one. Okay, this is a really shabby work. Now, I'm gonna go to stage. Am I in stage? Oh yeah, I am. And I'm gonna just fill in the background with black. Okay, we got a black stage, and now we're gonna just arrange them all. Okay, arrange them in the center. This, 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 this. Mine is not correctly aligned with each other. You can do yours more patiently and you'll get the best of results. I'm just gonna write piano on the stage to make it look pretty. Remember guys, when you type your text, it gets automated to the last color which you have used, which is black in my case. So you gotta change it. And I'm gonna put handwriting. That's one of my favorite fonts. Okay. Piano. Yeah. Alright. So now we have our piano and our keys ready. So next we are gonna do the coding. So for sprite number 1, you want it to go to the specific place when the flag is clicked. Motion go to. And then second one, just gonna do the same. Okay. So now when the flag is clicked, go to that position. And now we want the musical part to happen. Nothing happens when I click it. So now we're gonna put the musical and magical part in it. We're gonna put set instrument to piano and do the same to the rest. Okay? And then it's here. We're gonna put play note, and it shows a really cute and simple diagram for us to understand. We're gonna put C in this that sound for 0.25 beats. That's okay. And now next I'm gonna put play note, but for this one D. That one. And I'm gonna put everything like that for the rest of the keys as well. Okay, so now I've put everything like this, but it doesn't do anything. Oh yes it does. When I click the flag, everything plays a note together, and it's kind of not so nice. So we're gonna put the magical sensing block along with the control block. So we're gonna put the if statement. So what this does is, when the flag is clicked, okay, is the flag clicked? Yes it is. Now I want the sprite to go to that position. Is it there? Yes it is. Okay, now what instrument am I playing? I'm playing the piano. Okay, piano set. Now if blank. So we're gonna fix that blank right now. So we're gonna put if touching mouse pointer. Oh no, yeah, sorry guys. If touching mouse pointer and the mouse is also down, that means when I am pressing the mouse's left key, when I'm clicking, And if this thing is touching, then it means that I'm clicking on it. This is a very simple button to make. I'll be making another video to show you how to make buttons. Well, this is similar to it, so you better stick along. But this, if the mouse is down, and oh, sorry, I gotta put it inside that, yeah. And if it's touching the mouse pointer, then I want it to play this note. I'm gonna do the same to all the rest as well. Okay, so now we're done. It doesn't matter which order you put this, so yours might be different. Now let's test it out. Before that, I'm just going to explain the code for educational purposes. So, I'm going to enact the computer. Is the flag clicked? Yes, it is. Now go to that position. Okay, done. Now set the instrument to piano. Okay, done. Okay. There's an if statement. Let's see what it does. If mouse is down and it's touching me, then I want it to play the note of 60 for 0.25 beats. Is the condition valid? Okay, let me play the note. Tom. Okay, so that's what the computer does. Let's test it out. Think there's some problem here. Oh yeah. As I've told in the previous videos, what this actually does is it sees if we're touching it as soon as we touch the flag. So for that to be fixed, we gotta put a forever block. So whenever the flag is clicked, and whenever after I click the flag, I'm going for a snack and coming after 10 minutes, and I'm clicking it. It'll work only if we put a forever block. So we're gonna put a forever block on top of it so that it does it forever. Note it that when we put a forever block, this note doesn't get played forever because it's in an if statement. Only if the mouse is down and it's touching the mouse pointer, it'll play the note. So let's try it again. Wow, that's a nice tune. I think I might have put this wrong. Oh, I haven't. Okay. I'll just check everything. Okay, everything's nice and right. Let's look at it in full screen and enjoy the simple piano game we've just made. I'm gonna try it out. It also works when you hold down the mouse key and just hover above it. So well done, guys! You made your own piano app. So I hope you enjoyed this, and in the coming videos we'll see what we're gonna do with all of these other extensions. Hi guys, and now for the task for your day. We're gonna create a game like this, or say a band. So when I click the flag and I click on this, now what this is there's a drum and a cymbal. So you're gonna explore all the musical blocks find the correct ones for these and make it. And I'll be posting the answers in this description box. But if you do it without seeing the answers, it'll be a great understanding for you. So, thank you for watching this video. And please like and share if this video turned out to be useful for you. Bye!